Hello guys, welcome to yet another Revit structure tutorial. So kindly subscribe, like and share with your mates to be able to inspire me to keep creating more tutorials. So in today's session, you're going to look at adding a stepped footing and adding spot elevations, tags in our plan views to show how deep these stepped foots go down. So we can first construct a concrete foundation. So when you come to structure, we select wall to be able to draw a concrete foundation. So in this case, you could take a concrete foundation of 300 by 300 wall, and you can choose do it by rectangle, and we choose depth up to the top of footing. Then the wall could be centering. So we could select our first spot here, our next spot here. So we've been able to construct our wall foundation. So going to our 3D view, our foundation has been inserted. So we can go to one of the views in the elevations. So we could go to the east elevation. So from here we can able to edit our wall foundation here to be able to appear as a stepped footing. So we shall select the foundation in this view. Then we opt for edit profile. So we can edit this profile to be able to create a stepped footing. So we could use peak lines and adjust our offset to 500 millimeter. Then we could able to offset it from here. Again, offset it from here. And again, we could opt for the peak lines tool. Be able at an offset of say 1000 millimeter. Could able to offset this line. And again, offset this line. So we can use trim extend to be able to extend this profile. So good. For trim extend here, trim extends line to this line. And we trim extend this line to this line. Then you can also trim extend this to this, then trim extend this to that. So after that, we could be able to select this profile from here to there. Then you can be able to mirror it. Oh, I see, the draw mirror tool is active, so we could let's try to adjust this to this. And selecting this. So still, we could draw it from the other line, so again opt for peak lines. Then we could again offset it to say 500, 1000. And we can able to offset this to here. Then we can also offset that to there. So using our trim extend tool, could trim extend this. So let's use a trim extend tool to this, to that. Then you can trim extend this to this, or it's going the other way around. So you can trim extend this to this. Yes, so after that we could, then we can select this. Then we can be able to mirror it, picking this. can use the peak mirror axis. You can first select this. So it has been both mirror in the other direction. So we'll be able to still trim extend this to this, and trim extend down to trim extend this to this. So let's try this to that. So we can delete that. We can select this and delete it. So yes, so now this deleted. Can trim extend this. I need to this, trim extend this to that. No, it's not going off. So it's copied there twice, so we can select this and delete it. So we can add our line to be able to close it, to close the magenta loop, to be able to construct our footing. So when you finish, so when you go to our 3D view, you shall be able to see our stepped footing. So yeah, so that is how our stepped footing will appear in our 3D view, showing how it goes down. So when you go to our 3D, our top of footing floor plan, we can able to add our spot elevations to show how deep the footing goes at various intervals. So here we could still opt for the component annotation tab, spot elevation. You could able to edit the properties. You would choose a crosshair project, enable this. Then the relative base level, then the display elevation should be the bottom elevation to show how deep it goes. So from here to here, it's the footing has a depth of 1500 millimeters. Then you can able to copy it to other levels. You copy, enable copy multiple. So when it comes here, we see the depth or the elevation changes. When we come here, we see the elevation changing, the depth. And here, it's again changing. And when we bring it here, it again goes back. So by adding these spot elevations, they show us how deep the footing steps down. So that's it for now. In our next session, we shall look at adding retailing walls to our Revit structure model.